Albosulis at saka Ginaldo. So Banawe tayo. Morning Banawe. Medyo maulan ngayon. Pero nandun naman, no? And then?
There, we will use it on our head like this.
Oh.
And then we work as a raincoat for women. Then we work.
So we just arrived dito sa Lagawe from Kiangan, and now we will be going to Banawe to explore the attractions of Banawe. So papakita ko sa inyo paano pumunta from Lagawe to Banawe, and then we'll be staying overnight sa Banawe and we'll be doing some exploration. Tara na, samahan nyo kami at tayo pupunta ng Banawe. Let's go! We'll be starting dito sa Lagawe Terminal. Dito lahat yung mga sakayan ng papunta sa iba-ibang destinations around Ifugao. Pasok tayo sa terminal. Uy, may biyaheng ano? Albosulis at saka Ginaldo. So Banawe tayo. Sakay tayo. Sumat-upload. Biyaheng Banawe. Tayo sa jeep papuntang Banawe. Laki ng jeep, haba.
Ito may 11 kahit mawang pa itipan na. Tapos may sapay ba?
Kaya nakurkar kami di hukog lang. Ano yung Bariana?
Finally arrive in Banawe. Nag-jeep tayo, 50 pesos lang pala pag jeep. Sa inyong Querencia. Ito na yung People's Lodge. Oyami. So ano, saan tayo? Just arrive. Ha? Ayun palengke. At may pakyat sa turista. Hindi ko na alam. Baka kasi mga 500 siguro. Oyami.
Sa kabilang tayo, no?
Oh, one night. 106. In fairness, gusto ko yung view niya. 106. Ito. Check, People's Lodge. This is a 600 peso room. Kasi naman 3 dito. And then, room check natin ng CR. Okay. Give me hot water. Ito yung CR. Ito yung view sa likod ng People's Lodge. Welcome to Banawe. It's a Cola bus from Sagada, stop over here in Banawe. So maraming sasakay dito. Daming dito, let's have dinner, early dinner na. Chicken Shanghai rice. Okay, paggabi na dito sa Banawe. Hi folks, kaliligo natin lang natin. Medyo maulan ngayon dito sa Banawe. So pag-usapan pa namin kung anong ikuin natin mamaya. In the meantime, buti lang may nagbigay ng tinapay. Thank you Miss Pure. At ito yung kinakain natin. Mamaya labas tayo. Ano kayong gagawin natin today? Morning Banawe. Medyo maulan ngayon. Pero ganda naman, no? Breakfast here in Banawe habang umuulan. Okay, breakfast time. Breakfast habang inuulan tayo. Kusina. Lambot? Ganda mo sa kusina. Kain tayo dito sa Banawe. Banawe map. We are currently here. And then if you want to go to Bataan, then tayo dadaan. Dito nagtabi ang tumot ang Mugaw. May Mark Ranger. And if you want to go to Hapao, into ang rice services. So, dito pa rin kami sa Banawe at a little bit rainy, so we cannot go anywhere. We're supposed to go to Bangaan and Bataan, but we have to abandon that. I guess we have to go back to Manila tonight because it's difficult to go trekking with this kind of weather. So maybe we'll just come back some other time and do our exploration. In the meantime, we'll probably be going around Banawe just to enjoy some of the attractions that we can do when the weather is this rainy. Tourism office. All tourists are required to pay 50 pesos environmental fee. Also from here you can take video buses to Soliano, also Hunduan, and even Bontoc. At ito na tabi-tabihan. So bababa ulit tayo lokang noon pala sa baba. Ang bilihan ng sa baba daw yung ano. Sa baba. Oo, sa pinanggalingan natin. Pala sa baba ang tickets. Going to Koda. To buy a ticket back to Manila because of the weather. Koda, 6 p.m. today. Dito pala ang booking sa may baba ng tourism. So we just bought already a ticket, return trip. Suddenly we have to cut our Banawe expedition because of the weather. We're leaving 6 o'clock tonight. Koda Lines, 675 senior citizen. So in the meantime, pasyal-pasyal muna tayo around Banawe. Yung mga pwede ikutan. Medyo madulas lang ang kalsada dahil umulan. At umuulan pa. Dati maraming mga souvenir shops dito. Medyo kukunti na lang ngayon. Kaya nawala na rin yung mga matatandang wood carvers. Lodging, Stairway Lodge. Upward Lodge. Diyan tayo bababa sa simbahan. Ito yung literal na Central School. Merong bridgeway sa gitna, nasa sentro.
Ay, ang cute ng mga houses.
So, may mga cable pang ginagamit at deliver doon sa mga areas din sa taas. Yan o, dyan nilalagay. And then, idadalhin doon. Mission Paris. Immaculate Conception Paris. Sa Mission Paris. So they use this to spread Christianity in Banawe. Yung altar, i-reorient lang nila. Mga original houses dito sa Sagada. Barangay Bocas na tayo. Sludge.
Saan? Taas?
Oh. So, just continue exploration of this part of Banawe Poblacion. Nagagaling na sa Immaculate Conception Church, and we'll be going to the hanging bridge. That's the hanging bridge.
The lady said, paakyat daw is very slippery. Alumon daw. Pero the bridge is safe. I think.
Okay, let's cross the hanging bridge. Huwag sanang gumalaw. It's scary. So we're actually crossing the hanging bridge. So we are, ito yung view natin na binaganan. At mukha naman okay naman siya. Safe naman siyang so may pupulang ng aso. Trail actually goes to the local market local market sa taas. Yan ang galing. Yan, no? Hindi tayo nag-cross sa bridge na yan. Ito yung barangay after the church. So now, we're going to the market. From here, may mga trail. May hagdan naman papunta sa market. Dahan-dahan lang tayo. Morning!
Ayan, pwede na, pwede na. Hindi, sige pa. One more step. Ayan, ayan.
Mababasa mo signage. Do not use the hanging bridge due to landslide. Okay, palabas na kami. Here we are. Ito pala naman. Tricycle. Labasan. Ito yung dating market. Ito. Dito tayo dati nag-iintay. Bagong Banawe Car Park. Yan. Yung naging controversial yan. Yan yung mga sakayan papunta sa mga villages. Ito yung 3 pesos pandi ko.
Yung maliit may malaki.
Well, long john.
Anak, napet sa amin.
Ang daming masarap.
Lucio. Lucio, munggo.
Spanish bread. So, nandito na tayo sa may bakery. Ang tatlong senior na makukulit. So, bumili tayo 25 pesos custard cake. And
Pan de coco at 3 pesos.
yan siya. 10 piso. Na straw na
may straw sa loob.
straw sa loob. So, pahinga muna tayo and then we'll continue exploration of Banawe. Nakata-upload na sila. Mga bata. We're going to Viewpoint. Ito ka tricycle. Using tricycle dito sa Viewpoint. Then baba tayo. Oh, may babaan pa dyan, diba? Welcome to Banawe Rice Terraces. Isa sa mga pinakamalawak. Imagine, this was built around 2,000 years ago. And in imagine yung how hand tools lang na ginamit nila. And then you can still see the beauty of Banawe Rice Terraces. Marami. mapunta ito. Yung lakaran, pwede liputan, and then pwede nyo explore yung experiences na. Sea of Clouds. Panawi. Lamig. It's about 16 degrees centigrade. So, maganda. Nagpapag, sobrang lamig. Medyo alam sa hangin sa akin. So, yung lagi natin pinagaling. Napakaraming beses natin pinagaling. Pero hindi tayo nasasama. Maganda pa rin. Ito may mga bahay na rin. Ito na sa motion ito. All share pa rin yung mga rice terraces. Mabagot na din paso. So, hopefully mag-preserve ito ganda ng Banawe rice terraces. So, salamat at nakita natin tayo. Matuloy tayo sa Banawe. Ito rin naman mga shops dito. So, gusto yung mamili. Nandito pa yung mga shops na mga souvenirs. But dati puno ito ng mga titinda ng mga souvenirs. Okay. Ngayon tayo, pabalik na tayo. Ni Kuya Driver, this is another viewpoint. Iba namang angulo itong nakikita natin. Wow. Ganda rin pala dito. Kita natin sa baba ng mga terraces yung waterfalls. Ganda. Ganda ng mga terraces. Rice terraces. So we just returned dito sa Mesentro and then maghahanap tayo nakakainan. Makikita natin kahapon, doon sarap yung pagkain. 80 pesos lang yung rush bowl nila. Pero nasaan siya? Ayan mo, makita tayo.
Kasama na pero hindi nakahali.
Natin sa Smiley and we got pansit 75 pesos at nabuhang napakasarap. Ito yung kabang pa hinihintay. Chow pan with longganisa, 80 pesos yung bowl. Wow. What?
Okay ba?
Ini pasti. Souvenir shop. Ang laking giant balloon. Suntaan. Oo, mga ipugaw. And now we go to the National Museum. The museum, Banawe Museum. Harap ng tourism. the jeep going to Solano. Pwede kayong ito sa kanya pagdating Solano, any bus going to Manila. Ito na may mga buses from Solano to Hongduan. Packet ng Hongduan. Kapaw. So, from the road, dito yung Banawe Museum. So, tayo doon. Yung Ohiani bus reservation booth, malapit din sa tourism.
It was sweet old lady.
Going to the museum. Beautiful view of Banawe from the museum. Yan, waterfalls doon. Yan ang car park sa palengke, na dating palengke na naging controversial. Ito po si Nanay.
The Banawe Museum.
Welcome sa Banawe Museum. We just arrived. So, may kasama pa tayong dog.
Yung pag may pumasok ay ano ko. Kasi may kasama din. Victoria Oibon from Banawe, Ifugao, and welcome for your visit to the museum. Thank you. Taking. Ito ang
Taking.
kami ng mayaman noon.
Ay, grabe naman masyadong.
Oo. May malaki, ganyan.
Paano yan nakaupo?
Nakaupo.
Tapos?
Pinabalot, ipinapasok. After
Coffin.
months or years, inilabas, pinalitan ang
Ang blanket.
blanket, ganyan, nag-aalay ng baboy at kalabaw at ibinalik. Kasi buto na lang. Buto.
Yan o. Isang buong kahoy yung ginagawang coffin.
Called taking AM.
It's called ticking. Ito ay hagabi.
Agabi ito. Upuan.
Upuan. Hindi siya burial.
No, hindi. Upuan ito at pwedeng humiga ka dito.
Ilang tao kaya siya?
Dalawa.
Sa ilalim, wala na.
Sa lalim pala
Nakataas din ang niya.
mayaman yung hagabi.
Pwedeng umupo.
Ganito, pwedeng upuan lang.
Upuan.
So isang pirasong kahoy ito.
Isang sirasong kahoy.
Ang laki kahoy yan.
Pwedeng humiga.
Humiga.
The agabi, it's made from one piece wood used by the rich people as their bench. So
Is this lava? And this, what kind of food is this?
This one, balik ako. Yes. That is waiting. For hanging this one. From that village.
Okay.
Rana is a messenger.
Messenger. Yes. Our things for women on the head and the men are for firewood on the soldier. Kind of a tree. They go to the river, beat, and the fibers are left there. Then they spin it into balls, make like ropes, and some smaller ones, and it turns like this. They weave this one. It is like this. It's like an abaca, but no, it is a bark of a tree. Same.
I thought abaka.
No. It is tree.
Okay, alright.
And when thread comes, we buy thread and we weave. And for women also, we have classifications of how we dress.
Red with white.
For the rich one, for the middle class, for the middle class people, for the black, for the poor.
Huh?
Yes.
What about this blue one?
This blue one, is a costume also from one of the provinces in Ifugao, Mayuyaw.
Yeah, I remember Mayo.
And spreaded to. But classmate for the poor one.
Is this dirt blanket or normal blanket?
Normal.
Because I saw at the museum in Kiangan, dirt blanket, something they
Yes,
weave before you die.
Yes, like in Bontoc, in Sagada.
And then they will use that to wrap you when
Around.
before you're buried.
Our pig. We carry our pig on it for milling our rice alive. These are the games we used to play when we have fiestas or occasions. Men use wrestling.
Like arm wrestling.
Yes, arm wrestling and foot wrestling. Yes, and here pushing one another. This is an iron wood, the best wood. The color is real black.
Okay.
It is heavy.
Is it iron?
Really?
Iron wood.
Really heavy.
Kamagong. We call
Kamagong.
it kamagong.
Babolo tree.
Mabolo tree in English?
Yes.
Yeah, I see.
Kamagong comes from Mabolo.
What do you call it? Yeah.
Kamagong, Mabolo tree. Kamagong. 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 Gong.
And this one's also our praying to their God, praying to our native way, because they have a cup of wine, and then there is to the men with gong, and here is the big. And we have also designs of lizards, because lizards at home are good luck, prosperity.
That's why many people in Cordillera use lizard as a symbol.
Yes,
Because they are very
prosperity. The house lizards, they make it into balls.
And it can see from the top, and they are very kind.
And if they sound, they say good luck in your yeah. Place on the sides of our door.
For?
Bulol, yes. And there is also the lizard there.
For good luck.
For good luck. And like this one, if you want a bear.
This is Otley. He's the one who said it's 2,000 years old.
The bear, yeah.
An
Anthropologist.
who married one of a woman here that
Okay.
not know that some days it will be like that. We do not know. We have upstairs those other
It's a rocking chair.
down and rack it. Yeah. They just only make a hole and then put it.
So there's no nails, just
No nail.
pegs only and tied
Like
with
our native
bamboo.
house.
You don't use nails, iba?
No, before. Like our native house, no nail, and you can dismantle it and transfer to another place. Yeah.
Very interesting. It's a drum.
We have porcelain because before there is barter of China in the Philippines. So,
Hindi nga.
they're walking, no right. It is like this. When I
Wow,
was
but
born.
now we're during the 1980s.
And then,
1980s, may baka before pa.
yeah. When I was small, we are always there on the terraces catching shells, small fish, Japanese fish. Then we use it, we bring it home to eat it. And no, there is houses, but the native Inco gone. Yes, not like those.
No galvanized steel. Banawe Market, maybe a century ago.
Dito sa taas, paglagyan ng palay.
Palay pala doon.
Oo. Kasi palaging umuulan, di kung hindi tuyo, dito kami.
Granary.
Kasi pag ano ka doon, nagluluto ka, busok, mainit. Dito sa isang corner, dito sa ganyan, sa kabila, doon kami nagluto. Doon kami kumain. We eat and sleep in this one. During night time, we place our ladder here so that the
How do you go to the toilet in the evening?
we come out or we have something to use. The bamboos. Yes. We cut some because there are some bigger bamboos.
And then
We
you
cut it
make
and
wiwi.
We there.
Sorry. The gabi.
Yes. And during night time also, we place, there are some like this, like nails. We place our chicken cage.
This is
During
chicken
day
cage.
so that the dogs or
Half of the chicken.
mice will not eat it.
Okay.
These are ceremonial boxes.
Yes, for the mumbaki, for the bulur. We call it punahan. You can read
What
it
is
there.
this for?
This one?
What's the purpose?
To place their cup, to place their betel nuts when they are praying to their
It's
gods.
betel nuts. Not for ceremony or ceremonial.
For they will place something here. Sometimes they are filled. Like this one there is already old, so they have, what is that? Betel nuts
Betel nut or
and palay.
palay?
Yes.
Okay.
Usually when they pray, they have this in front of them.
Because I have one of these, but inside are feathers, old feathers. I don't know what for.
I see. We call it punahan. Yes. The ritual access.
These are what farmers use.
Yes.
These are
And
hats?
for men.
These are raincoat for men.
And that one is the raincoat for women. And it is like this. We call it lechon.
Parang Batanes.
Parang sa Batanes na
Oh.
Okay.
And then,
There, we use it on our head like this.
oh,
And then we work as a raincoat for women. Then we work.
so you won't get wet.
Oh no, yes, no, it will. And then if you have we do sweet potatoes, you place it here, or the palay, roasted palay, or something vegetable, then you carry it on your head. Like that.
Sut mo ulit, anak.
Tuchong. T-U-K-O-N-G. Tuchong.
Okay.
You. B, not K. We have vegetables from this side, or when you go on their upper, you can.
Bontok necklace. And these are bontok warriors necklace. Grabe. Ayun. Details of the necklace. Made from animal teeth.
But now no more.
No animals.
Also for the government, and they will settle it.
Skull of real people used as a trophy by headhunters.
With the shear and spear, like that.
Then this warrior, and there are several skulls
And here,
as trophies. Ang spear din, iba-iba yung design ng dulo, di ba? Ito, ang daming design pala, iba-ibang klase.
the kinds of spears. Square, the rectangle. And this is made of bamboo.
And,
We place it here on the floor, and then the families will be gathered.
like
here one.
communal eating.
Yes, communal.
Like boodle fight.
When do we use the wooden spoons?
Now we have this in Mayayaw.
Ah, you take the spoon.
You went to buy your
Yeah. For
carrying, placing their camotes.
How-
Like
how-
dengue. But
and
they
how
should
do they
have-
carry?
They should have something here around, then you place on the head and this on your back. Like that. When you dig one camote, you place it here. Because you have to climb the mountain, going up on one row. Then when you are tired, then you go and
And then,
place it in the somewhere, and there it, this one can be wood. Something to do like this to beat, and then the little spear when you are hiking, they will wear it.
these are musical instruments. Nose flute and the gongs.
Before, once a time that locusts will come, and they
What do they do with the locusts?
They will eat it. They will catch it and eat it.
Huh?
It will be eaten. Those locals.
Like the crickets?
They will fry the locals.
Okay.
And eat it.
Fried locust. It's good.
Na ano yan?
Wine. Rice wine.
Ah, yan lagay na rice wine?
We fry the glutinous rice.
Ayun ang lagay ng tapoy.
And here, we place here in this one or this one, we place the banana leaves here. Of course, you have to place in the fire the banana leaves so that it will, it's not to be placing here.
That's how they make the rice wine.
Yes. And then we get the fermentation like the powder, like a yeast.
Hmm?
And then we mix it here, then cover it. After 3 days, you remove the cover. The juice are here. We have to press
Ah, just
something here.
okay.
And take the rice here and the juice, then place it on the jar.
Hmm?
After a week, you can
Tapoy.
tapoy. For weaving, we have our traditional weaving also down.
Hmm?
Yes, we saw that.
Isa.
You have seen there is one
Where do you get, what material are you using? Kapok or cotton
we
or
buy cotton, then we color it, we dye it with those.
natural dye, not
Yes, but now there is also a dye that they are selling that is going to be this year also. Pure work.
before you're using indigo or achuete
Yes, like
or
that.
the bark of the tree.
Yes. And it takes how many days? More than 1 week. Yes. So you have to cook and
You know how to do weaving.
I know how to do weaving, but for the dyeing there are different. The young ones are the one who is dyeing.
So you are from somewhere?
So these are old beads.
These are the beads that. You have been around here in Banawi?
Yeah, I arrived this morning.
Grabe itong museum experience natin sa Banawe. We learned a lot from the guide and she explained very well the history of the Banawe people. Not only Banawe people, but the people of the Cordilleras. Ang yaman ng kanilang kultura, traditions, rituals na nalaman namin pag-visit sa museum. If you do have time to come and visit it sa Banawe Museum, ang entrance fee is like 100 pesos, but very, very much worth it. At nagsusukat ang ating mga kasama. Senior. Ano pangalan ng shop na to? Ano pangalan ng shop? View In. Banawe View In.
Ay,
Nagwiwili.
dito?
Ha?
May hotel?
This is how they do weaving. Backstrap pala siya. Grabe. Ito yung ginagawa. And then, pero mas complicated. Oh. Yan, and then tatalian, tapos lalabas yung tinalian magiging puti lang.
Oo, maging puti yan.
Tapos yung yung pinagtanggalan, yan yung magkakaroon ng walang kulay.
Oo.
Galing.
Tinatalian ng plastic at ang mga plastic din sa lupin. Hindi papasok ang iba ng dye sa loob.
Parang tie-dye.
Tie-dye, oo. Love dye, tie-dye. We have a weaving also that we call it love tie-dye because we always tie the threads there and then yun ang mga designs namin.
So ito na yung
Okay.
okay.
And then,
Galing. Uploading. Biyaheng Hunduan. Biyaheng Hunduan. this is going to Bangaan. Step.
Kaya ko mag-ano.
Start tayo with the soup.
Chicken looks good.
Wow. Laki ng chicken.
Oo.
Start with
Tama
rice.
lang. I think that would be...
Chicken and vegetable and rice and soup, 210. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Tapos may...
So, on the way to the bus station, it's 5:22. Our bus is scheduled to 6 o'clock. So, papunta na tayo, pagiging maaga. The 5:30 bus, we're waiting for the 6 o'clock bus. And our bus has arrived, the 6 o'clock bus, from Sagada. Okay, let's put our baggage below. So,
Where is the set?
where to the bus? Say hello. Going back to Manila. So time check, it's 9:25 at next stop here in Arito. Should naman tayo kumantay kami, pero wala. Yun, ang sarap ang pagkain. Okay, tingin-tingin lang tayo. Time check and it's about 4:30 and we just arrived here time to go home sa Cavite. Sakay na tayo ng carousel to PITX. Hello mga kasenyor, I'm about to end our Banawe vlog today. So maraming unplanned things na nangyari dito because we were not supposed to stay longer in Banawe. We're supposed to go to Batad after coming from Manila via Lagawe and Kiangan. Unfortunately, because of the weather, we decided to cut short our trip in the Cordilleras and postpone our visit to Batad, Bangaan, and Duhan to a much later date. But it allowed us to really explore the municipality of Banawe, which have been just using before as a area for moving around as a jump-off point. But now we were able to spend longer in Banawe. First, we were able to stay at People's Lodge, one of the oldest in the municipality. But before checking in, we traveled from Kiangan to Lagawe and used a public jeepney that takes passenger from Lagawe all the way to Banawe. It took us about 2 hours to reach Banawe, and we paid only 50 pesos, imagine that. So, but we were able to ride with the locals, and we were able to see the local colors, the local vibe. So, because we were tired, we were only able to do a few things. After we arrived, we checked in, and we met our friend, and then we had dinner at this Smiley restaurant, which served very good Filipino food. I had lumpiang Shanghai. And then the next day, today, which is today, we decided to go home for Manila, but we were able to book a 6 p.m. Bus that will leave Banawe and arrive probably in Manila at 4 a.m. So in between, since we have about 8 hours, we decided to explore Banawe. So we started with having a breakfast at People's Lodge, and then after breakfast, we book our ticket. The ticketing office is just below the tourism office, and we got senior discount for 675 from the airport Banawe to Manila, to Cubao. So after that, we explored the Immaculate Conception Church, which we're very happy to see was a mission compound that existed before the war, and they were able to educate many of the locals in Banawe. The church have undergone several changes because of its expansion. We're very happy to see that the pews were made by wood carvers of Banaue. Very beautiful sceneries of Banaue. After that, we still continue walk around and proceeded to the hanging bridge that connects the village and the market. So I was a bit nervous at first, but when I saw the locals using this, I gained my confidence. So from the hanging bridge, we went to the local market, bought some of the local bread, went to the Wagwagan Center, and after that, we took a tricycle that brought us to the viewpoint to see the magnificent view of Banaue rice terraces. So the ferry 300 that is back and forth, we already negotiated with the tricycle driver, and he brought through to destination. The original viewpoint and the new viewpoint, which is called Dayanara Viewpoint, wherein we saw it has a better view than the original one. After viewpoint, we went back to Smiley and had a very delicious lunch of pancit and longganisa with chow pan. And after that, we went to the Banaue Museum, where we had some of our best experience in Banaue. From the tourism guide named Ma'am Victoria, we were able to learn a lot of things about the Banaue people, history, heritage, culture, and traditions that you don't get to hear in an ordinary museum. So after that, we had dinner at Stairway Lodge, and then by 6 p.m. we are already on our way to Manila using Coda Lines. So it's been a very fantastic journey again, a lot of unexpected things, but we're very happy to share them with you. So thank you very much for watching. Travel while you can. Until the next vlog. See you soon.